The CIA uses this to read minds, and now you will too. By the end of this video, you'll never be fooled again. Trick number 1. Micro-expressions. A fake smile doesn't reach the eyes. Watch closely. No wrinkles? They're lying. Some of your favorite celebrities do this all the time. And now, you'll see through it. Trick number 2. Foot direction reveals true intentions. He says he's interested, but his feet? They're already leaving. Even trained criminals can't control their feet. Neither can your lying friend. Trick number 3. Mirroring. Subtle mirroring makes people like you instantly, but do it wrong, and it's just creepy. Trick number 4. Eye movements and lies. TikTok lied to you. It's not just about looking left. Here's what really exposes a liar. Eye movement alone means nothing, but combine it with hesitation, sweating, and voice pitch changes, now you've got them cornered. Trick number 5. Baseline test. The trick? Start with an innocent question. Observe their normal voice tone. Then drop the real question. Any changes? That's your answer. Trick number 6. The 3-second rule. First impressions are made in just 3 seconds. If someone avoids eye contact or hesitates, they might be hiding something. Use this trick to detect confidence, deception, and even attraction. Trick number 7. The pause effect. Silence is a weapon. Powerful people pause before speaking, making every word carry weight. Try pausing before answering a question. It forces the other person to hang on your every word. Trick number 8. The power of touch. Touch can influence people instantly. A firm handshake, a reassuring pat on the back, or even mirroring someone's gestures builds trust. Next time you meet someone important, use this trick. It makes people subconsciously trust you. Want part 2? I'll show you how to destroy a narcissist using these tricks. But first, smash subscribe or I'll know you ignored me.